So we start off today's video with someone who has shoulder length hair. And she has decided to switch it up with this gorgeous choppy style pixie cut. This is absolutely stunning, loving the texture with that one. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hairstyles and options that you can try out this summer. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up with a brand new hairstyle, this channel is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of the looks in today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this beautiful coppered style. The stylist did some bangs with that to help frame out the color and her face. She looked absolutely amazing. And then we see another long to short transformation. So the stylist does have the hair sectioned in rubber bands and braids. Wow, absolutely stunning. Loving the deep waves with this one. This is an absolutely gorgeous bob. Next up, we have another long to short. These are always my favorite to watch. It's so satisfying to watch the stylist cut longer hair into shorter. Beautiful chic bob. Absolutely stunning. I love the pop of blonde that this has as well, and it also features a dramatic angle. Looks like she does have some blonde highlights in the back. And then we see a beautiful asymmetrical pixie style. Followed by a bob haircut transformation. She's also going to be getting bangs with this one. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. I'm actually noticing that baby bangs are really starting to trend heavily, and I think that they look really beautiful paired with the no brows or very light out eyebrow trend. So here we have another bob haircut, color refresh with the blonde. Absolutely gorgeous color. And then we have another dramatic long to short transformation. Hair is placed in one braid down the back. Wow, absolutely stunning angled bob. This is beautiful. Next up, we have another bob haircut. Ooh, really beautiful mix of purple and brown. And she also has an undercut going in the back. I love the design. Such a gorgeous style. So edgy and chic. I love it. Next up, we see someone with very long hair. Wow, the stylists are having a lot of fun turning this into a bob haircut. I love it. She had so much hair. And then we see someone going from brunette to copper. Another long to bob transformation. And then we have someone going from long black hair to this gorgeous copper, absolutely stunning. So I hope that you guys were able to get some inspiration for this summer season. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course check you out in the next video.